Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today, we're diving into 10 game-changing woodworking tools you simply can't ignore. Each one is designed to make your work faster, cleaner, and more precise. Some of these tools replace expensive machines, some fix the most common workshop problems. Let's get started. Number 1. Franklin Sensor's ProSensor. This stud finder uses 9 sensors to show stud width instantly, no guessing. Live wire detection keeps your drilling safe and accurate. It scans larger areas at once, giving you faster results. Ideal for mounting cabinets, shelves, and heavy fixtures. One of the most dependable wall scanners available. Perfect for anyone who wants reliable, mistake-free wall work. Number 2. Aero PT50 Oil. Built for upholstery, panels, carpeting, and fencing with consistent power. Oil-free operation means no leaks, no mess, and smooth firing. Handles long working sessions without overheating. Compatible with multiple staple sizes for flexible use. A solid choice for beginners and professionals alike. Delivers strong fastening without needing an expensive compressor. Number 3. Precision Woodworking. Provides accurate, slip-free measuring every time. The sliding 2-inch attachment gives perfect repeatable layouts. Laser-etched markings stay readable for years. Great for joinery, cabinet work, and furniture builds. A must-have for precise wood marking and layout lines. Makes your measurement workflow faster and more dependable. Number 4. Track Saw Clamp for T. Quick release action locks workpieces tightly. Prevents movement on long rips or tricky angled cuts. Fits Festool, Makita, DeWalt, and MFT tables. Delivers steadiness that improves cut quality. Essential for anyone working with sheet goods or track saws. Feels rock solid even during long, heavy track saw cuts. Keeps your guide rail perfectly aligned for every pass. Number 5. Kreg KMA 2685 Rip. Transforms any circular saw into a guided straight cut tool. Great for sheet goods, plywood, and repeated rips. Helps eliminate wavy cuts and uneven edges. A portable alternative to bulky table saw setups. Number 6. WEIBIDA Heavy. Supports up to 2,200 pounds while staying stable. Turns any bench into a mobile workstation instantly. The ratchet design allows precise height control. Reduces vibration during heavy cutting or sanding. Great for garage shops, tight spaces, and tool cabinets. Provides smooth rolling and firm leveling in seconds. Keeps your workspace adaptable and easy to rearrange. Number 7. Worx 20V JawSaw Cordless Chainsaw. Enclosed jaw design grips material for safe cutting. Ideal for lumber cleanup, trimming, and workshop prep. Cordless operation gives freedom to work anywhere. Great for cutting logs without the risk of kickback. A smart chainsaw alternative for beginners and casual users. Cuts confidently even when the material is uneven or unstable. Perfect for quick jobs where a full-size chainsaw is overkill. Number 8. PREXISO 3-in-1 Multi-Surface Laser Level. Combines angle gauge, cross-line laser, and magnetic level. Perfect for aligning cabinets, saws, and framing layouts. Rechargeable design saves time and money on batteries. Bright, clear lines make setups faster and more accurate. A versatile tool that replaces multiple measuring devices. Ideal for builders who want accuracy without extra tools. Helps you lock in perfect alignment on the first setup. Number 9. Preciva Digital T-Bevel Gauge and Protractor. Reads angles from 0 to 338 degrees with digital precision. Transfers and repeats angles quickly for woodworking. Built-in bubbles add another layer of alignment accuracy. Great for trim work, dovetails, and angled joints. Makes tricky angle work simple and reliable. Ensures consistent geometry for every repeated angle cut. A dependable helper for both layout and assembly stages. Number 10. Osco Multi-Angle Drill Guide. Drills perfect straight or angled holes from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. Works on round, flat, and awkward surfaces easily. The spring-loaded base keeps drilling stable. Ideal for joinery, shelf pins, and dowel holes. A powerful substitute for a full drill press. Helps you drill with confidence even in tough setups. Gives clean, repeatable hole placement every single time. Thanks for watching Tools Inspector. Check the links below, and subscribe for more weekly tool upgrades and breakdowns.